Here's how we turned our wild mushrooms into a delicious creamy bisque. This slaps, and it's pretty basic, so feel free to modify and get as wild as you'd like. You'll need 2 pounds of foraged mushrooms. We used oyster mushrooms and wood ear. Grab an onion, a ton of garlic, chicken stock, butter, parsley, thyme, and heavy cream. Chop up the mushrooms and veggies and heat a big pot on medium-high. Saute the vegetables in butter until soft and browned, then add chicken stock, salt, and pepper. Bring to a boil, then simmer for 20 minutes. Throw at least half of it in a blender or food processor, and once it's thick and creamy, add it back to the rest of the soup. Simmer again until it's thick and darkens slightly. Reduce heat to low, then add your heavy cream. Serve while hot, garnish with fresh parsley, and enjoy your foraging spoils, for you have conquered the day.